In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a message in Slack. Deleting a message is really straightforward once you know where to look, and it's a handy skill for cleaning up typos, removing something you sent by mistake, or just keeping a channel organized. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Slack and navigate to the place where the message lives. This could be a public or private channel, or a direct message conversation with one person or a small group. Take a moment to scroll until you find the exact message you want to remove. It helps to double-check that you're looking at the right one, especially in busy channels where several similar messages may appear close together. Once you've located the message, move your mouse over it. As you hover over the message, you'll see a row of small icons appear, usually along the right-hand side of the message. These might include options like adding a reaction or starting a thread. Among these icons, look for the three vertical dots, often labeled as More Actions, when you hover over them. Click on those three dots. This opens a small menu with several options related to that specific message. In this menu, look for the option that says Delete Message. The wording is usually very clear, so you shouldn't have trouble spotting it. Click Delete Message. Slack will not remove the message immediately. Instead, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This is designed to prevent you from deleting something by accident. The confirmation window will typically remind you that deleting the message is permanent and can't be undone, especially for other people in the conversation. If you're absolutely sure you want to remove the message, go ahead and click the Delete button in that confirmation pop-up. After you confirm, the message will disappear from the channel or direct message for everyone who has access to that conversation. That's all there is to it. Just remember that your ability to delete messages may depend on your workspace settings and permissions. If you don't see the delete option, it could be that an admin has restricted this feature. Otherwise, you can repeat these same steps for any other messages you want to remove.